Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Viram Singh and my father name is Mangal Singh. I am basically from Tharparkar. Today is the topic of my presentation is all about corruption. First all of the question is that what is corruption? Anyone from you know about corruption something? No. Okay, corruption is a slow poison which kill the constitution, the society and the economy of developing nation. In other words, we say that corruption is a basically form of criminal activity or dishonesty. It is the social evil performed by any individual or group of people. And corruption is a injustice which allows to people gallop other rights illegally. And corruption is destroy the infrastructure of the healthy nation or healthy society. And corruption is destroy the economy of countries and cause the unemployment among peoples. Now we secondly discuss what are the forms of corruptions. Corruptions can take many forms, including bribery, nepotism, fraud, money laundering, and thirdly we discuss where corruptions can occur. Corruptions in Pakistan can occur in every fields, various sectors, including government. This corruption is called political corruptions, and corruptions occur in business. This corruption is called corporate corruptions, and public servants means health, educational, and last is NGOs, non-governmental organization. And third, last, what are the cause of corruptions? Corruptions caused by weak constitutions and poor governance, and the lack transparency and accountability, and low salaries of people, employees, and the power imbalance. Finally, we discuss how we can minimize corruptions or how we can stop corruptions. Certain steps we can minimize corruptions. The first and most important step is that we should establish our link to religion, and we should understand in our religion corruption is not allowed. And second step is that we can reduce corruptions by government reduce the prices of commodities, and so that common people enjoy a good and reasonable life. Another step that we can reduce corruptions by we should adopt a simple living of life, and we cannot depend on luxury items or luxury items of life. And the last and most important step is that every citizen of country play his roles to defeat competitions, and our governments provide more and more opportunity for youth so that they make our own livings. And last point is that the duty of youth is challenge to corruption. The duty of youth to challenge corruption. Thank you everyone.